Yeah, it's true. It's a great country. They have a lot of history, a lot of monuments. But it's better they remember something. 2006 World Cup. Last day in Paris for us. But first we come for a breakfast. And what you do? Don't you eat croissant in France? Waiting for the bus. But we have no tickets, of course. Apparently here for the bus no one asked for the ticket. So why we should make it?
Don't say that.
Why? We keep it real. We have tickets.
Bus 84, direction.
Bonjour. So it's nice to come to visit the Pantheon, and what is curious is that if you watch in front of the Pantheon, in the other side of the roads, you can even see the Tour Eiffel. Our journey in France is finishing here, and I think the best place to stay at the end is again in front of Notre-Dame. A lot of people think that Paris is romantic. I agree, and I think that Notre-Dame is the most romantic things here. Why? Because it gives us an example. Even if you burn down, if you fell apart, then you can still keep standing, and this cathedral is the proof. Bon voyage.